Enjoy reading the story on Manga Funny channel.
In the world, from ancient times, many kingdoms were formed on the continent and experienced many wars over land. Each kingdom had its own origins and developments. This is the story of the Syenn Kingdom. Long ago, on the continent of Muo, there was a kingdom called Syenn. In that kingdom lived a princess with shimmering golden eyes and hair. Her name was Princess Soria. When she came of age, a grand celebration was held in the kingdom for her. But in the midst of the festivities, an uninvited mage appeared. The mage cast a spell on her, fearing the potential growth of her magic, which was stronger than his own. Then, the kingdom became entangled in tall, thorny bushes, making the land uninhabitable for humans, and the people were forced to leave. Like that, no one remained in Syenn except for the cursed royals, who stayed behind to protect their white castle. And what happened to the princess, you ask? There's no end to this. The princess was reborn into another world, where she could live happily and achieve her dreams. But no, as she awoke outside the castle, she had barely a moment to orient herself before hearing a familiar sound like before. Could it be? The barrier has been broken. Oh my goodness. Once again, magic has found her, and she would be sealed. She ran as fast as she could to escape the sealing magic, hurrying into the castle. The hero is here. It has been 147 years and 3 days since this miserable life began. I can finally break the curse. At that moment, a young man entered the castle, and as she suddenly fell to the floor, she saw a white-feathered chicken lying on the floor. Thus, she had been sealed into the form of a white chicken. She thought, judging by his clothes, there's no doubt he's the hero. But he doesn't have any weapons. Wait, what is that emblem? Is he a mage? Were we tricked after all? Damn it, were all of my night sacrifices for nothing? Suddenly she yelled, the only thing here is that chicken. How rude. He turned to look at her, in surprise. Did that chicken just... Then the soldiers burst through the door, frantically saying, Your Majesty, how could you go off on your own? He said, Sir Paul, give me your sword now. There's a cursed chicken here. The soldier replied, I beg your pardon? What are you talking about? At that moment, she said, you show such disrespect to the sole heir of the Syenn Kingdom. Repent for your sin. Then she charged forward, clawing at the soldier with an angry fire, heating up the room. He said, That chicken is crazy. I am Soria Brienne v. Syenn, now just a white-feathered chicken. He said, Orwell, weren't we supposed to find a sleeping princess? Orwell replied, Yes, that's what we were told. He said, I'm losing my mind. All right, fine. No matter the rumors, the important thing is that the princess is here, even if she is a chicken. She said, Did you say you were the Emperor of Crotia? Be that as it may, what gives you the right to disrespect a royal of a kingdom that isn't even your vassal state? he shouted angrily. Can you even call a place with nothing but thorn bushes a real kingdom? This shocked Orwell, who tried to restrain him. Why would he get angry at a chicken? Orwell said, pardon me for saying this, but you can only joke for so long before it's no longer funny. He said, what are you on about, Orwell? Orwell responded sadly, when did I joke? For the past few minutes, you've been talking to that chicken. Please remember that your knights are watching you. Pointing to the chicken, he said, but haven't you been listening? She claims she's the only surviving royal of the Syenn kingdom. This left the soldiers sad, feeling helpless and thinking their leader had gone mad. They thought, His Majesty has gone insane. How could this happen? The long journey must have taken its toll on him. He asked everyone again. Wait, did no one else hear her speak? Look, this chicken. When he touched the chicken, I unleashed a powerful magic that heated the room, making Orwell use his own magic to subdue it. Forgive me, Your Majesty. I should never have doubted you. Orwell shouted, What are you waiting for? Draw your swords. It's attack magic. His Majesty was right. That chicken is Princess Soria. We must capture her. The soldiers then attacked and captured the white chicken, forcing her to escape to avoid becoming roast chicken. I shouldn't have gotten my hopes up. Those brutes can't possibly be the heroes to break my curse. Why did I ever believe that stupid mage's words? The soldiers searched for a long time but couldn't find her, so they returned to their leader. He said, Where's the chicken? And then returned the cloak to Orwell. Orwell replied, She got away, but we'll catch her soon. Just how did you know? That chicken was Princess Soria? He replied, She told me. This left Orwell in disbelief. He said, Forget it. Why ask if you're not even going to believe me? Orwell replied, Of course I believe you. It's just, well, it's so outlandish. Where are you going? Don't follow me. At this point, she had escaped the castle and found a place to hide, thinking, It's not that I don't trust you all, but we can't afford to waste any more time. He thought, I will deal with the princess.